Hey guys, today we're going to talk about lat bias single arm row. So a few little things I'm going to say before we get started is whenever you do a lat bias, you want to make sure that elbow is coming in near the body. So you don't want to flare those elbows out. You want to keep it nice and close to the body. As we are coming up to pull up, you want to make sure to get that elbow and sort of bring it back to the hip. And notice here, I am not passing my arm up all the way up here. This takes away from the lat. So here, the range of motion for the lat is coming back just about to where that body, the same level as the body, and we're coming back down. So if I was to use a bench here, I have a neutral spine, keeping that spine straight. I have my kettlebell here, and all I'm going to do again is pull that elbow back to the hip, keeping that arm right next to the body. And that is how to really focus on the lat doing your single arm row. I hope that helps, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free, leave them in the comments. Appreciate you all. I'll see you next time.